FIFA 14 not launching? Let's get you back in the game. First, try the classic. Restart your computer. A simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches preventing the game from starting. If that doesn't work, move on to the next steps. Give FIFA 14 the permissions it needs. Right-click on the FIFA 14 icon or its executable file, FIFA14.exe. Select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This elevates the game's privileges and can bypass permission-related launch errors. FIFA 14 might struggle with newer operating systems, causing launch failures. This is common for older games running on modern Windows versions. To fix this, right-click the FIFA 14 icon or .exe file on your desktop or in the game folder. Select Properties from the context menu that appears. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab to access compatibility settings. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and select an older Windows version like Windows 7 or Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. This tells Windows to run the game as if it's on an older system. Click Apply and then OK to save your compatibility settings. Now try launching FIFA 14 again to see if the issue is resolved. Origin, now known as EA App, manages the launch of FIFA 14. If it's corrupted, the game won't start. First, try repairing. In Origin or EA App, right-click on FIFA 14 in your game library. Then select Repair to fix any corrupted files. If repairing doesn't solve the issue, uninstall and reinstall the Origin or EA app. Make sure to download the latest version from the official EA website to ensure compatibility. Outdated graphics drivers can cause launch failures in games like FIFA 14. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Restart your computer after installation to complete the update. Your antivirus software or firewall might be blocking FIFA 14 from launching properly. Start by temporarily disabling your antivirus software to test if that's the issue. Then, try launching the game to see if it starts without problems. If FIFA 14 launches successfully, you'll need to add the game and the Origin or EA app to your antivirus exceptions list and firewall allowed programs. Remember to re-enable your antivirus software after adding the exceptions for security. A clean reinstall can fix corrupted game files. Start by uninstalling FIFA 14 through Origin or EA app or use Windows Settings. In Windows Settings, open Programs and Features, select FIFA 14 and choose Uninstall. Next, delete any remaining FIFA 14 folders from your program files and documents directories. Finally, reinstall the game through Origin or EA app. FIFA 14 requires DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables to run properly. Make sure you have the latest versions of these components installed on your system. For DirectX, search online for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. This will show you the download page for Microsoft's DirectX installer. Once downloaded, run the installer to update your DirectX to the latest version. For Visual C++ redistributables, visit Microsoft's official website and navigate to the Visual C++ redistributable download page. Download the latest version that matches your system architecture and run the installer. After installing DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect.